Welcome to Law Made Simple, your go-to channel for breaking down complex legal topics into plain and easy language. If you're worried about being arrested in a false or exaggerated case, there's a legal safeguard you should know about: anticipatory bail. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to apply for it, so you can protect your freedom before any arrest takes place. We'll cover what anticipatory bail is, when you can apply, and the exact process to get it. I'll also share important tips to increase your chances of success. Whether you're personally involved or helping someone else, this guide will be valuable. So, let's get started with understanding the basics. First, what exactly is anticipatory bail, and why is it important? What is anticipatory bail? Anticipatory bail is a legal protection that you can seek before you are arrested. It is meant for situations where you believe you might be accused of a non-bailable offense. Think of it as a shield that ensures you won't be taken into custody immediately. This provision exists under Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. It is different from regular bail, which is sought after an arrest. With anticipatory bail, you can approach the court in advance. It gives you peace of mind and legal security. Now that you know what it is, let's see when you can actually apply for it. When can you apply? You can apply for anticipatory bail when you have strong reason to believe that you might be arrested. This usually applies to non-bailable offenses where the allegations are serious on paper. Common scenarios include false FIRs or fabricated complaints. It can also be used in disputes that may escalate into police action. For example, business disputes, family feuds, or property matters. If there's a chance the law might be misused against you, anticipatory bail is an option. But remember, the fear of arrest should be genuine and reasonable. Next, let's move to the first step in the process: consulting a lawyer. Step 1. Consult a lawyer. The first and most crucial step is to get the right legal advice. You should find a criminal lawyer who has experience in handling bail matters. When you meet your lawyer, explain your situation openly and honestly. Provide all documents like the FIR copy, if available, and any supporting evidence. Your lawyer will assess whether you have valid grounds for anticipatory bail. They can also help you prepare for objections that the prosecution might raise. The quality of your lawyer's drafting and argument can make a big difference. Once your lawyer understands your case, the next step is drafting the application. Step 2. Drafting the anticipatory bail application. Drafting is a critical part of the process. Your application should clearly state your personal details and background. It must include details of the FIR or complaint filed against you. Mention the grounds for seeking bail, like false allegations, no criminal history, or cooperation with police. Attach all relevant supporting documents such as ID proof, FIR copy, or written communications. Your lawyer will ensure the language is precise and convincing. A strong application increases the chances of getting relief quickly. Once the application is ready, it's time to file it in court. Step 3. Filing the application. Your anticipatory bail application can be filed before the Sessions Court. In certain cases, you may directly approach the High Court. The choice depends on the urgency and seriousness of the allegations. Once filed, the court will fix a date for hearing. During this time, your lawyer may request interim protection from arrest. This means the police cannot arrest you until the final order is passed. The court then hears both sides before making a decision. Next, we'll talk about what happens during the court hearing. Step 4. Court hearing. At the hearing, your lawyer will present your side of the story. They will explain why the accusations against you are false or exaggerated. The public prosecutor will present objections on behalf of the police. The judge will consider factors like the seriousness of the offense. Your past criminal record, if any, will also be examined. If you have cooperated with the investigation, it strengthens your case. Sometimes, the court may continue interim protection until the matter is decided. Finally, the court will announce its decision on your bail request. Step 5. Court's decision. If the court grants anticipatory bail, it will issue an order with specific conditions. These may include surrendering your passport or regularly appearing before the police. The order can protect you until the trial or for a fixed period. If your bail is denied, you can appeal to the High Court or Supreme Court. It's important to carefully follow every condition imposed by the court. Violation of conditions can lead to cancellation of bail. The court's decision is based on the facts, evidence, and your cooperation. Now let's quickly go over some important tips to remember. Important tips. First, always apply for anticipatory bail before arrest to avoid custody. Second, strictly follow all conditions mentioned in your bail order. Third, never try to influence or threaten witnesses. Fourth, keep copies of all court orders and important documents. Fifth, cooperate fully with the police during the investigation. Sixth, avoid making public statements about the case. Seventh, trust your lawyer's advice and maintain transparency with them. Following these tips will keep you safe and legally secure. Conclusion and call to action. You now understand the complete process of getting anticipatory bail in India. Taking early legal action can save you from unnecessary arrest and harassment. Always remember that legal procedures are best handled with expert guidance. If you or someone you know is facing such a situation, act quickly. This step-by-step guide will help you prepare in the right way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Law Made Simple for more clear and practical legal guides. Thank you for watching, and stay informed about your legal rights.